Hi, if you're interested in learning more about robots but you can't find where to start, then in this video we'll try some different ways of controlling a robot and show you how learning to control a robot can be a really fun way to learn coding at the same time. Maybe the most common way to control a robot is by text programming, and you may have heard of this method. Text programming is a really powerful way to control a robot. However, text programming can be a little bit complicated for someone who's new to coding because there are lots of rules and syntax to learn in order to make sure your text programming works properly. So controlling a robot with text programming is suitable if you've already learned some programming languages. Instead of text programming, you can use remote control, which doesn't need any coding knowledge at all. Remote control means that we control a robot instantly using a simple interface. Remote control works well for simple, non-repetitive tasks. But remote control is usually less precise and more difficult to automate, which means that it's not so easy to ask the robot to repeat a complicated task over and over again. So instead of text programming or remote control, let's look at block programming. With block programming, you simply drag blocks of existing code onto the workspace and connect them together however you want. Block programming might be the best of both worlds. Like text programming, it's a powerful way to control a robot, and like remote control, it usually doesn't take too long to learn. So block programming is best if you want to learn to control a robot to do complex tasks and explore the wonderful world of coding at the same time. In the future, robots will become even easier to control. This Baxter robot can remember and copy how you move. We've talked about 3 ways to control a robot. Text programming is the most powerful way to control a robot, but it takes time to master. Remote control is easy to learn, but it's less precise and you can't access all of the functions of a robot. Block programming is also easy to learn, and it's a powerful way to control a simple robot to repeat complex tasks. So those are 3 ways to control a simple robot. It's not as complicated as you thought, right?